Oh wait, this is our intro. Yeah. Get ready to hear me sing for a bit. I go ooh ooh, you go ah ah, la 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 la, I feel la 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 la. Get it, don't stop. Oh well, sucker. Anyway, welcome to the CNO Internet Show. Woo! What's crackin' lacking, people? I said that wrong. Anyways, I am. This is. You just said I am, and this is. What are you? I'm an O, and I'm a C. This is a CNO show. Didn't we already say that? Yeah. Oops. My bad. CNO show. So, we haven't been recording because this week has been hectic. Sick. Oh, I was sick. Yeah. We all got sick, but she was more sick than I was sick. But we're better. Yeah. No more drugs. Just kidding. Okay. As in medicine. Today is Wednesday, March 16th, 2011. What has been going on in society? I don't even know. You know what you should talk about? What woke you up this morning? You want to hear what woke us up this morning? Oh my god, you don't even want to know. Here we go. Ready? Get ready for it. Here's what woke us up. What is that? What the flipper? So yeah, there you go, you guys. But it was worse, really. Way worse. Like, the fire alarm went off at 2:15 in the morning to be exact. For the third time. Not in a row. No, I know, I was going to say in a row too, but it wasn't in a row. For the third time, yeah, it happened. The first time it was pretty scary. I thought it was like I was in a movie. It was like really bright and that's all I could see. But this time I almost slept through it. This time I didn't give a damn. Yeah, neither did I. The second time I went to the bathroom. We all literally went on our pajamas and my blanket and everything. I was just like, oh my god, freaking damn people, do not pull the fire alarm. I know, it ruins beauty sleep. I've been trying to catch up on it. I didn't go back to bed until 4 in the freaking morning because I was freaking. It took me like a half an hour to fall asleep because then I started thinking and my thinking never stops. So, what else are we going to talk about? That was like the moment of the night. Like, I know. Why are you laughing, Fernando?
It's freaking.
Oh, we have a special guest! Fernando, tell us what you thought about the fire alarm.
I was like pretty normal, but you freaking called me after the fire alarm, okay? I was like trying to sleep, and then you're like, oh, let's prank somebody.
What did I say? I'm waiting for someone to come. Oh! Before, no we're not. Before anything happens. Okay, so before the fire alarm, I was dreaming. I'm not going to say about what. But, hey. Tell me your dream. No. But so I hear this like beep, 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 and we're just like whatever, and like our roommate, she's like what's sleeping, and she's like, oh my god, you guys, like, well, she wasn't really saying that, but she's like, you guys, get up, and I was just like, oh, and I go, and the roommate was like, Cassie, wake up, and she's like, I'm like, not this again, let's just wait until someone comes. So we literally did, and then our A comes, and she goes, guys, fire, and we're just like, okay, and we just like walk out. Yeah, so that was our night. Oh. But what does your dream have to do with any of that? I don't know. Just because that's hard to do. I've been interpreting my dreams. Kind of scary. It's not really scary. It's like weird. I'm going to keep a dream journal now. I only have 2 dreams in there. Oh, and then the RA was being a busy. A different one. Yeah, this is a different one. She's like, yeah, you're too slow. I don't think we would be slow if we wouldn't be getting woken up at 2 in the morning for the 3rd time. And plus, it was fake. I was like, damn, I should just hid in my closet. And I should just hide in my bed. Like, no one could ever tell when I'm sleepy. So, I'm pretty sure they wouldn't see if I was there in the fire alarm. Oh, well. But, breaking news we also got last night. What did we get? Rest in peace, Nate Dogg.
I don't know who Nate Dogg is.
You don't know who Nate Dogg is?
No.
What?
I don't know who
That's
Nate
why.
Dogg is.
Okay, oh, that's not Nate Dogg. Just kidding.
I don't know
What?
who Nate Dogg is.
Nate Dogg is like a legend at TikTok.
Me and Ozzy honestly have like different tastes in music. Let's see, what would I listen to? Well, can I play a song?
Go ahead. I'm more like straight up G.
Yeah, we totally like different songs. Oh, I'm gonna play a song that I like a lot at the moment. Once this goes.
Is it what I think it is?
What? Oh no.
Oh.
It's not Bruno Mars, for one. But I am a huge fan of Bruno Mars. I really, like, I don't know. I like the majority of music. Hold on. I think I'm gonna do something else.
We've been working for so long.
No, we haven't. Okay, so this is like what I like listening to, other than Bruno Mars. My taste in music changes a lot. You guys are gonna laugh. I used to be obsessed with the Jonas Brothers.
Look me in the eye
And tell me that you love me. Everything's alright when you're right here by my side. And when that's not Jonas Brothers. But yeah, I like the song. And you don't know how we got into this bad situation. Doing things out of frustration. Obviously, we have different tastes in music. You know what we should do? We should do a horoscope. Our horoscope. Okay, well, we could see a really quickie. But you know they have quickie
Video's not really
horoscopes.
too long.
Yeah.
No, it's not. How long is it?
37 minutes.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
No way. Where?
Next episode.
Next episode, we'll talk about horoscopes, I guess.
Yeah, random topics.
Because I get really into my horoscopes, even though they never happen.
And we don't want to bore you guys with our show.
So
Get trained out by
we'll
behind the knees.
end it with a song. One of Ozzy's songs. One to start. And it's gonna start any second now.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches, slapping the hoes. Went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out